Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start a second term syllabus of class 4th. The chapter number is 3, Stay Away from Illness. So students, a healthy body play a very important role to determine the future of the persons, right? If we are not fit, then we are not able to do their duties or to do a work properly. So a student who is sick cannot perform their duty well, or a teacher who is not well cannot deliver their lecture properly. So if we want to do work properly, so we must be healthy. So there are some rules. There are some rules. Let's begin topic that healthy rules. So there are some rules for better health. Number 1 is keep body and surrounding neat and clean. So I will tell you about the cleanness. So students, we must clean so that we stay happy. Okay, we means that we keep our body neat and clean. We do a daily bath and we brush teeth twice so that we become healthy. Second one is exercise keeps our body fit. Second one is exercise keep our body fit. So student do exercise daily so that your body remain healthy. To keep healthy, we must do exercise, and if you are doing exercise, then you can you stay healthy, right? So students, are you doing exercise in a lockdown? If no, then please start to do exercise so that you people become healthy. Now third one is take control of what we eat. So students, never eat junk food, always eat a healthy food. Healthy food means fruits, vegetables, and that food which are rich for vitamins and minerals. Fourth one is drinking enough water. So we should drink water. An average person need 8 glass water per day. Okay. Fifth one is there is definitive relation between healthy and cheerful appearance. So what it means? Students, a cheerful person always make a good impressions on a people. Last one is avoid food that contains large amount of fat. I explained that we should not eat a junk food because it is a fatty food. So we must avoid that food who contain a lot of fat. And last one is make sure we get enough sleep. If a person complete their sleep, okay, we should sleep well. It will make us strong or enough to carry out the different work. So students, if you want to stay healthy, you must be follow these rules. Now come on a second topic, that is good eating habits. What is that? Good eating habits. So first one is breakfast. First one is breakfast. Students, never skip breakfast. We should eat breakfast. It is important to have a breakfast, right? A good night's sleep followed by the food in the morning help us to stay active and concentrated at a school. Being hungry in the morning hours will affect our performance. If we eat a healthy food, if we eat a heavy breakfast, then we can do all the activities very frequently, very energetically. Second one is lunch box. Second one is lunch box. We can have a rice, wheat, sandwich for a lunch. We can eat a raw vegetables, we can eat a salad, fruits in a lunch. Never eat chips, biscuits like this, because if they are junk food and they are not healthy food, they are harmful for our life. Third one is trendy food. So I know all the people like eating pizza, patties, dosa, but students, we should eat it. But we should eat it occasionally, not daily, right? Fourth one is after school snacks. This is a very important. We should eat fruit in this snacks time. We should take a sandwich with a glass of milk, or we can eat many things which are healthy. Okay, and the last one is super time. Super time means dinner time. Now, super time is a chance to share and talk about a various activity, right? Students, one thing remember, that we did not see, we no need to see a television or we use a mobile while eating something, right? So dinner, we take a very light dinner so that we become healthy. So this is some good eating habits. Now come on a next topic, safe bicycle journey quiz. I will discuss some questions related to this. The question number one is, when should we check air, brake and chain of bicycle? So students, when we check the air, brake and chain of bicycle, its options is once in a week, once in a day, or each time we start. So its answer is each time we start. Each time we start. Now question number 2, when do we need to wear a bicycle helmet? So think students, when we need to wear a helmet? Yeah, every time we ride. Every time we ride. Third one is, why should we wear bright clothes like yellow or orange when riding a bicycle? So why students? Think that to help driving to see us. To help drivers to see us. Fourth one is, which side of road do we ride on? Which side of we can run our vehicles on which side? That is a right side. That is what? That is a right side. Fifth one is, when do we need to extra careful and look for vehicles that might be coming? When crossing, when starting, or when finish? Yeah, when crossing. We are behind some people who are walking. How can we let them know we want to pass them? Suppose you want to pause and pass for someone. So what you are doing? We are doing to ringing the bell. Bell. Now question number 7. Which is safer? Safer, riding in a straight line or moving left and right? Students, see, suppose you are going on a road and you move here and there. Isn't it okay? No, we just move in a straight line. So what's answer is? That is riding in a straight line. When should we obey the traffic rules? Always, in the morning or in the evening. So we always follow the traffic rules. With this, your chapter is complete. Thank you and have a nice day.